Number 5 is ELEGOO Neptune 4 3D Printer. Introducing the ELEGOO Neptune 4 3D Printer, the ultimate marvel in 3D printing for those who demand unwavering reliability. This incredible machine is a game-changer designed to bring your 3D printing dreams to life with absolute precision and speed. With a lightning-fast printing speed of up to 500 millimeters per second, the Neptune 4 leaves competitors in the dust. Yet, it's about more than just speed, but also quality. The dual Z-axis lead screws guarantee rock-solid stability, and the pressure advance function ensures impeccable print detail. You get the best of both worlds. Filament feeding is smoother than ever when equipped with a direct drive extruder featuring a 5.2:1 reduction ratio. Plus, the 300 degrees Celsius high-temp nozzle opens the door to a wide range of materials from PLA to high-temperature nylon. Versatility at its finest. Don't stress about bed leveling. The Neptune 4 boasts a 121-point auto bed leveling system, guaranteeing hassle-free setup. And for that perfect first layer, use the hand-twist knobs under the PEI magnetic platform. If you want to get this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description below. That's all from us in today's video about the best 3D printer for reliability. We hope you liked this video, and if you did, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more such content. And to remind you again, the link for all these printers is given in the description box so that you can buy them at the best price. Thanks for watching, and see you soon!